Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Security Plus. First, you need to thoroughly understand the exam objectives. Next, select high-quality study materials that align with these objectives. Then, develop a structured study plan to guide your learning process. Finally, consistently practice with mock exams to assess your readiness and identify areas for improvement. This approach will help you prepare effectively. To begin, thoroughly review the official CompTIA Security Plus exam objectives. This document outlines all the topics you need to master. Understand the different question formats, including multiple choice and performance-based questions. Remember, the passing score is 750 out of 900 points, and you will face a maximum of 90 questions. Knowing these details helps focus your study efforts. For effective preparation, leverage a variety of resources. Start with official CompTIA study guides, which are tailored to the exam. Supplement this with video courses from well-regarded instructors to gain different perspectives. Consider joining online study groups to discuss concepts and clarify doubts. Additionally, create and use flashcards to memorize key terms, acronyms, and security concepts efficiently. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Take multiple practice tests regularly to gauge your progress and identify weak areas. Don't just look at the score. Thoroughly review every incorrect answer to understand why it was wrong. Try to simulate actual exam conditions during your practice sessions. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest the night before your exam to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.